Welcome to Hiragana Lesson 6. In this lesson, we will learn the H row characters. Before we begin, let's quickly revise what we have learned so far. We have done the vowel row A, I, U, A, O, K row Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko, the S row Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So, T row Ta, Chi, Su, Te, To, and the N row Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No. So the H row sounds are Ha, Hi, Fu, He, Ho. This is Ha, Ha. This is He, He. This is Fu, Fu. This is He, He. And this is Ho, Ho. Ha, He, Fu, He, Ho. Let us see the stroke order of the H row. The first character of the H row is Ha, Ha. The character is Ha. So let us see how to make this character. This character has got 3 strokes. The first stroke is like this. The second stroke is this. And the third stroke is this. This is Ha, Ha. The next character is He, He. The character is He. So let us see how to make this character. This character has got just 1 stroke. So see how I make it. The stroke is like this. Just 1 stroke. This is He, He. The next character is Fu, Fu. It's not Who, but it's Fu, Fu. So let us see how to make this character. This character has got 4 strokes. The first stroke is like this. The second stroke is like this. The third stroke is like this. And the fourth stroke is like this. So remember one thing. Before I showed you a picture of the Fu character. So this part, instead of this, there is a stroke like this. So both are correct. This is just a keyboard font. And both fonts are correct. This is Fu, Fu. The next character is He, He. The character is He. So let us see how to make this character. This character has got just 1 stroke. So the stroke is like this and this. This is He, He. The last character of the H row is Ho, Ho. The character is Ho. So let us see how to make this character. This character has got 4 strokes. The first stroke is like this. The second stroke is this. The third stroke is this. And the fourth stroke is like this. This is Ho, Ho. Ha, He, Fu, He, Ho. Let's see how much you have learnt. Which is this character? That's He. Which is this one? That's Ho. Which is this one? That's He. And this one? That's Fu. And the last one? That's Ha. Practice writing these characters daily to improve your memory and speed. Next, we will do the M row, Ma, Mi, Mu, Me, Mo.